from Russia to the Baltics, the diverse members of the USSR. The Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, established in 1922 and dissolved in 1991, was a monumental experiment in centralized socialism and collective governance. It spanned much of Eurasia, encompassing 15 diverse republics, each contributing to the Union's unique identity. Below, we explore the USSR as a whole, and each of its member states in detail. The USSR was founded after the Russian Civil War, uniting several territories under a socialist framework led by the Communist Party. Moscow, the capital, served as the administrative and cultural center. The USSR became a global superpower, known for its centralized economy, technological achievements, and influence in global politics. Key developments included industrialization, World War II contributions, the space race, and its rivalry with the United States during the Cold War. Despite its accomplishments, the USSR faced challenges such as economic inefficiencies, ethnic tensions, and demands for greater autonomy, which ultimately led to its dissolution. Its legacy continues to influence the geopolitical and cultural landscape of its former republics. Here are the 15 diverse countries that were used to be members of the USSR. Russia. Russia was the core of the USSR, contributing the majority of its population, territory, and resources. Moscow served as the USSR's capital, hosting key government institutions and cultural landmarks like the Kremlin. Russia's vast natural resources, particularly oil and gas, were vital for the Soviet economy. It also spearheaded technological achievements, including launching the first human into space. 2. Ukraine. Ukraine's fertile lands earned it the title of the breadbasket of the Soviet Union. Key industrial cities like Donetsk and Dnipro were centers of coal mining and steel production. Ukraine's cultural and historical heritage, centered in Kyiv, played a significant role in shaping Eastern Slavic civilization. 3. Belarus. Belarus, with its strategic location in Eastern Europe, was a hub for industries such as machinery and electronics. Minsk, its capital, became a symbol of resilience and reconstruction after World War II, during which Belarus suffered immense destruction. 4. Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan's contributions lay in cotton production and its rich cultural history as part of the Silk Road. Cities like Samarkand and Bukhara highlighted Islamic architecture and historical significance, blending heritage with Soviet modernization. 5. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan's vast steppes were used for agriculture while the Baikonur Cosmodrome established the republic as a cornerstone of Soviet space exploration. Almaty, the capital during the Soviet era, was a center for cultural and economic activities. 6. Georgia. Georgia's wine industry, mountainous terrain, and tourism potential set it apart within the USSR. Tbilisi, the capital, was noted for its diverse cultural tapestry and historic architecture. Georgian art, dance, and cuisine enriched the Soviet Union's cultural mosaic. 7. Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan played a crucial role in energy production, especially through its oil reserves in the Caspian Sea. Baku, the capital, became a center of industry and culture, balancing Soviet influence with deep-rooted Persian traditions. 8. Lithuania. Lithuania's capital, Vilnius, showcased a mix of Gothic Renaissance and Baroque architecture. Despite Soviet control, Lithuania maintained a strong national identity and led the independence movements that hastened the USSR's collapse. 9. Moldova. Moldova was known for its vineyards and fertile lands, making it a key agricultural region. Its capital, Chisinau, was shaped by Soviet urban planning while retaining elements of Moldovan culture through music and folklore. 10. Latvia. Latvia contributed to the USSR through its ports and industrial output. Riga, the capital, was a major maritime and economic hub, celebrated for its Art Nouveau architecture and cultural resilience. 11. Kyrgyzstan. Kyrgyzstan's mountainous landscapes supported agriculture and animal husbandry. Bishkek, its capital, developed into an administrative and cultural center, while traditional nomadic practices and crafts persisted. 12. Tajikistan. Tajikistan, with its rugged terrain and ancient Persian heritage, was integral to the USSR's cotton industry and hydropower projects. Dushanbe, the capital, combined Soviet urban design with influences from its historical roots. 13. Armenia. Armenia's ancient Christian heritage and mountainous landscapes defined its identity. Yerevan, the capital, housed prominent institutions like the Matinadaran, and was a center for scientific research and education. Armenia's cognac production gained international fame. 14. Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan's desert environment provided vast reserves of natural gas. Ashgabat, the capital, reflected a mix of Soviet and traditional Turkmen architecture. The republic's hand-woven carpets and traditions were renowned. 15. Estonia. Estonia's proximity to Scandinavia gave it a unique European character. Tallinn, its capital, was a preserved medieval city and a center for technological innovation. Estonia played a significant role in advocating for independence during the late Soviet era. The USSR's strength lay in its ability to unite these 15 republics under a single ideological and administrative framework. While each republic contributed unique resources, cultural heritage, and economic strengths, the diversity also posed challenges that culminated in the Soviet Union's dissolution. Today, these former republics navigate their paths as independent nations, each shaped by the legacy of their Soviet past. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you may subscribe, share, like, or comment for more.